Welcome! My name's Jacquelyn Sundberg, and I am a day-to-day cook. I feed myself, I feed my family, and I work with the special collections at ROAAr. Today I took a scan over our Taste of Summer's Past menu and decided to make a couple that appeals to my love of berries. And so I chose to make the raspberry vinegar, and I'm going to take a stab at making the strawberry Bavarian cream as well. And I chose the raspberry vinegar in part because yes, I love raspberries, but the other thing is I am a very amateur historical cook. As I said, I'm a day-to-day cook. So I chose the raspberry vinegar because we sourced that recipe from this volume, Nathalie, Cooke and Fiona Lucas's Parr Traill's The Female Emigrant's Guide, Cooking with a Canadian Classic, where there is the original recipe from Parr Traill's book, and then there is also a modernized recipe that I can consult. The raspberry vinegar is quite simple. Step one is you simply measure the appropriate amounts and you put them in a bowl to soak, walk away for 24 hours. So simple instructions I can follow. Here we go. The other one I will try is the strawberry Bavarian cream. So I need to make a cup of strawberry juice and pulp. I need to make a cup and a half of heavy cream whipped, and I need to prepare my gelatin. So step one, I'm going to do the whipped cream, set it aside, and I'm going to prepare my strawberry juice and locate my jello mold. So have a look at the recipe here on screen. Et voila! Here we have our strawberry juice and our whipped cream, whipped thanks to the marvels of modern technology. A quarter cup of cold water, my tablespoon of gelatin, which these days comes in sachets. So we pour it in, and my 1930 instructions say to leave it for 5 minutes. We'll give it a bit of a stir. So it has been about 2.5 minutes, and the gelatin has become cloudy and thick. And I can't resist poking it. Now I have finished soaking my gelatin, and the rather confusing contraindication says now to loosen up your cold gelatin, you put the container into a bowl of hot water. The next step is to put this gelatin into your fruit mixture. So here I have my strawberry juice, and I have added the lemon juice, a tablespoon of lemon juice. And the next step is to strain my gelatin into the fruit. Voila! Maybe not as lovely as the jello molds of 30s or 40s would have created, but there it is. We'll see how it's tasty. I might garnish it with some extra whipped cream. So I have walked away for 24 hours or more, and then came back and I strained my mixture through a sieve lined with cheesecloth. And now all of the fruit is in here and the fluid is here. The next step is I'm going to add the same amount of sugar and boil it until the syrup is nicely textured and combined. And there it is. In our sterilized bottles, we have syrup that I'll likely dilute with sparkling water. And the finished dessert, I hope you try your hand at some of these historical recipes. They are up on our blog. The link is in the description.